It's me, Teacher Jenna. How are you today? Are you happy? Or are you sad? I hope you are happy like me. Welcome to our English classroom. Today, I will be your mother, Duck. And you will meet some of my friends through a song. So if you are ready, let's sing!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a boink boink here and a boink boink there, here a boink, there a boink, everywhere a boink boink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, very good kids. Did you meet my friends? Can you tell me who they are? Let's meet them one by one. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, the first one is pig. Okay, what is this? Pig. Okay, one more time. Okay, how does a pig sound? Listen. Did you hear that? Okay, very good. Again, what is this? Pig. Okay, one more time. Okay, very good. Next one. Okay. How about this one? What is this? Okay, this is sheep. Okay, again, sheep. Okay, how does a sheep sound? Okay, listen. Okay, did you hear that? Can you do that? Okay, I want to hear you. Okay, very good. Again, what is this? Sheep. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, ta-da! Okay, what animal is this? Okay, cow. Okay, again, one more time. Cow. Okay, now, how does a cow sound? Okay, listen. Okay, did you hear that? Okay, very good. Can you do that? Okay, very good. Again, what animal is this? Cow. Okay, again, one more time. Very good. Next one. Okay, what animal is this? Horse. Okay, again. Okay, very good. Now, how does a horse sound? Okay, listen carefully. Okay, did you hear that? Can you do that for me? I want to hear. Okay, very good. Okay, again, what animal is this? Horse. Very good. Next one. Okay, next animal is duck. Okay, again, what is this? Duck. Okay, so how does a duck sound? Okay, are you ready? Okay, listen. Oh, did you hear that? Okay, very good. Can you do that for me? Quack, 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 quack. Okay. Again, what animal is this? Duck. Okay, very good. The last one. Okay. What animal is this? Is it a bird? Is it a duck? No. Okay, what is this? Chicken. Okay, very good. Again, what is this? Chicken. Okay, now, how does a chicken sound? Okay, listen. Did you hear that? Okay, one more time. Very good. What animal is this? Chicken. Okay. Good job, kids. I prepare an activity for you. I'm going to play the sound of the animal. What you're going to do is guess what animal it is. So, are you ready? Okay. Let's start. First sound. Listen carefully, okay? Okay, did you hear that? So what animal is that? Is it a sheep? Is it a cow? Or is it a duck? Or is it a chicken? Okay, very good. Chicken sound. Okay, next. Did you hear that? What animal is it? Is it a pig? Is it a horse? Or is it a sheep? Okay, very good. More. Listen carefully. Good. What animal is that? Is it a chicken? Is it a cow? Is it a sheep? Is it a sheep? Or is it a pig? Okay, very good. Pig. Okay, last one. Listen carefully, okay? Listen. What animal is that? Is it a sheep? Is it a duck? Or is it a pig? No. Or is it a horse? Or is it a cow? Okay, very good. A cow sound. Okay, very good. You did a great job. Time to go home. We need to say goodbye. Bye, kids.